Hi guys, so today I'm fixing my clock in my Z32 Nissan 300ZX. The clock wasn't working, so today I'm going to do a how-to on how to fix the 300ZX clock. Alright. So here's the clock. What you want to do first is unclip. There's going to be 4 clips, all slid in. I used the flathead screwdriver to just get underneath and clip them, slide them out. Then you'll want to take the display off, and then you'll want to grab both ends. Also, mine was already disconnected, but if yours isn't, you want to slide this this plug here, slide it out from this black clip, and then it just kind of comes right through. So now you have your clock disassembled. So there's going to be 6 solder points that you're going to need to desolder, and I've done that already, but they're going to be right here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to want to undo both sides, and what you'll find is this piece right in the middle. This is just the bottom board, and then this is where the LCD display is. So what's wrong with the most likely what's wrong with your clock is the two 181 ohm resistors. There's going to be one here, and I already removed one. So there's one right here, but it looks like this. This one here, the one it says 181. Usually they just go bad. So what you need to do is remove them, and then replace them with 180 ohm resistors that are like this. The color code is brown, gray, brown, and it's 180 ohms. I got this from Radio Shack. And what you're going to do is just place them, solder them on. There's going to be little solder spots right below the 180 ohm resistor where it used to be. There's one right there and one right there. You're just going to place a resistor, cut this down to size, place it right in that spot, and that should replace it, and it should make the clock work. Same over here, you just put it right to the right of it, so right there. Again, cut it down to size. Okay, so let me desolder this last one here, and you just basically pry it off once you get the solder a little loose. So let me use this. You just need to be careful of other components when you're doing this. There you go. So that's off. That's the little resistor right there. And now it should look like this. Alright, so that goes in the trash. Now let's trim these down to size. And it just goes right to the right of that resistor. So right there. That's what it should look like. Okay, let me grab some solder. Alright, so that first one, it looks okay. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that the resistor isn't touching any other, the wire of the resistor isn't touching any other components. So you want to just make sure it's lifted up just a little bit, just so it's not, just to be sure that it's not going to be touching anything. So just like that, it doesn't look like there's anything that's touching. Okay, so now this second one here, we just want to go right underneath old resistor spot. So let's cut this down. Same goes with this one, you just have to make sure it's not touching anything. So let's pick this one up. Alright, so that's what it looks like all finished. Now it's just a matter of resoldering the front together again, the 6 pins that you desoldered. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's go see if it works. Alright guys, so I plugged it back in, turned the car on, and I had to fiddle with it a little bit, but you guys can see that it's lit up now. These buttons do work, and let me show you. So when I think there was just a bad connection at first, and I just moved a few things around, tested it with the multimeter, and it came on. So I'm pretty confident that it should be working full time now. Hopefully it doesn't break again, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if it does happen to fall apart again. And then we'll just have to look at it again. All right, thanks guys.